Charles Leclerc's F175 was spotted in the Paul Ricard pit lane on Thursday, with the new design installed in anticipation of testing for Friday's first free practice season in the afternoon. Ferrari will probably try to collect back-to-back data to confirm real-world performance versus the promise demonstrated in CFD and the wind tunnel, while Carlos' vehicle still has the previous design attached. Team were well aware that the floor plays a crucial role in determining the final performance of the vehicle, even if Ferrari has focused most of its technical development efforts on its wing choices in recent races. The inner and outer portions of the tunnel's entrance are more clearly divided when comparing Ferrari's old and new floors, while the shift at the floor barrier being significantly more subtle. The new design will have an impact on how the wind behaves on the tunnel's upper and bottom surfaces. Given that the ceiling of the leading edge of the floor is now considerably lower as well, the fence there will also be affected. It's also important to note that while we can see these outer alterations to the floor, it doesn't mean that the team hasn't done more underfloor developments to aid extract more performance, since there will undoubtedly be a downstream impact. If the new component perform as expected in the initial back-to-back test, it is not yet known if both drivers will have access to the new solution. Teams have occasionally chosen to bring out just one component until it has demonstrated its value when they are overstretched due to the cost cap's upper limit. Leclerc profited from a new low-drag wing that was introduced for the Canadian Grand Prix and has been essential in enabling Ferrari to compete with Red Bull in terms of maximum speed. Ferrari team principal Matthias said that following his team's victory in the Austrian Grand Prix, the distinctions between his team's vehicle and Red Bull were now nearly non-existent.